One of my customers that bought my plugin was like, hey, can I do a bulk sale for a whole category? Or if they buy 5, they save 10% on the cart. Then absolutely, give me a second. And here's what we came up with. This plugin is a premium plugin. It'll be linked in the description down below. It is meant to save you a whole bunch of time, as well as give you a whole bunch of extra discount rules that WooCommerce is missing. And to get started, go to WooCommerce, Sales Scheduler. Here and click the day you want it to start. And you can see you have a bunch of different discount types. We're going to select bulk tiered, give it a name, set a start and end date, and from here you can select products or categories. So in our what my customer wanted was categories, and you can select what and how you want the discount to be applied. So only qualifying products, whole cart, and set prices for the products. And you can choose the prices or the percent off on the whole cart. Now you can add tiers, take tiers away, and because you can add categories, you can as well as exclude products that you don't want to be in that category. For instance, the belt, or not. And if you're choosing a bigger category and there's a subcategory inside you don't want to be part of the discount, you can do that as well. So hit done, save, and there hit added it. You can move it around, move it back, and you can shorten it or elongate it, whatever you like. It's super easy to do. It's a great way to manage all your discounts. Now, if you're wondering how the customers are going to know, they're going to know by this table here. They can click and add the amount they want. We'll add 5 of those. We'll go to accessories, go here, and we'll add another 10 of those. They get their 15%, view cart, and it's going to display how much percentage they're going to get off. They delete those, it's going to change, and automatically change the discount there. Let's see, super simple and clean, but we can even change that. Let's go back to the sales scheduler. Settings. We're going to change it to badges. And you get all these different things to customize it here. We'll save settings. We'll go back to the store. Go to accessory, and it changed it into little badges. This just makes it a little more clean if you want, or if you want more clear, you can use the table. Super simple and easy to use, easy to manage, and you're going to be able to see the analytics of those products in the back end. I'll show you that next. Whenever you're running a campaign, a sale, a flash sale, or anything, you're going to want to know how it's doing. And a lot of plugins let you down in that aspect, but you can see the total revenue already because I've put in some dummy sales. You can analyze, and it's going to show you your revenue and sales, all the items. And this is just a great way to see how it's going and to see if you want to do it in the future or to stop it if it's not doing well enough, or maybe you're discounting too much and you're giving away too much money. Tiered bulk discounts have never been easier. As well, you have the ability to track and see how it's going all in one plugin. Now, if you know of a discount type you'd like to see and there's not someone doing it already, please share in a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.